Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. There's a 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. But before we proceed with the chart, my dear friends, I would like to show you an article from fxtrade.com. And here you can see that gold struggles to hold above 1930, and it is true because gold was in uptrend. Gold was in very strong uptrend, but right now we can see that gold is struggling to cross the 1930 1935 level. This is a 4-hour chart. We can see a nice bullish market, okay, but if we simply focus on the present trend or this particular portion of the chart, we simply get to see a choppy market, not an uptrend market. So yes, slowly the things are changing on the chart of gold, or maybe this is just a part of the consolidation. Because if we look at the COT report, the commitment of traders, we can see that still 72.59 is more than 72% institutions have taken buy position on the chart of gold. It means that they are bullish. Who drive the market? The institutions drive the market. So as a result, there is a possibility, good amount of possibility that in the coming days and weeks, okay, after some time, okay, we may see further upside on gold. Yes, gold may come down for retracement, but again, it may go higher. There is a possibility. If we look at the chart of gold on the weekly chart, okay, on the weekly chart of gold, we can see that there has been a very strong uptrend for 2 weeks. Okay. Then gold retrace, again gold went up a little, gold retrace, and from this particular point here, okay, there was a non-stop uptrend. You can see that for last 3 weeks, okay, not last 3 weeks, for 3 consecutive weeks, there was a non-stop uptrend. So as we all know, no market in the world goes up in a straight line or goes down in a straight line. The market always move in a zigzag pattern. So here also we get to see the same thing. So this may be just a part of the consolidation, because if we observe the chart of gold on weekly chart, we can see that this is the pattern market is following. So this may be a consolidation so that gold can go higher, because commitment of traders is saying that there is a high chance of market going higher. So the last two candles, okay, the last two candles are dojis, and dojis signify indecision in the market. So this is just a part of consolidation. There is a good possibility that in the coming days and weeks, market will break 1950 and market may go higher. Okay, if you look at a daily chart, then we do not have much information from the daily chart. We can simply see that the next resistance will be around 2000 level. Okay, so this is the next big resistance technically. 4-hour chart of DXY in front of us, US dollar currency index. And here we can see, that market has formed a wedge pattern, a falling wedge pattern. Overall, the dollar index is in downtrend. Massive sell is going on. We know it very well. But in the last couple of days, market was not going down. Okay, we were waiting for the market to break 101.25, because this is the last support on the chart of DXY. If DXY breaks this support, then yes, further downfall or downside will come. But DXY was not ready to go down further, and it was a choppy market. But right now we can see that a falling wedge pattern is visible on the chart. Fundamentally, we do not have any news. Okay, there is no fundamental factor that is pointing DXY towards the upside. All the factors, all the news is saying that market will be down, DXY will be down. Okay, but technically on the chart we can see that market is forming a falling wedge pattern. In my experience, I have seen that many times before the news, okay, chart tells the story. So this may be a spoiler. Okay, there may be some news coming up and we may see upside on the chart of DXY. So my dear friends, in the coming days, if you see a trend reversal on DXY, do not be surprised. Okay, but as of now, DXY is choppy. Okay, it may remain like that only, but yes, I'm hopeful right now that in the coming days there may be a small upside, at least till 103.50 on DXY. Now, this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us, and to be honest, there has not been much changes in the levels on the chart of gold. We can see just the opposite of the falling wedge. Here we have a rising wedge, and market is already trading below the wedge pattern. Here we don't get to see, actually, we didn't get to see a straight fall. Okay, but yes, still the market is trading below the wedge pattern, and the trend line at the bottom, which was acting previously as the support, is right now acting as the dynamic resistance. Okay, so let's discuss the levels one by one. But before I proceed, I would like to say that, my dear friends, only 4 days left for the workshop. If you love my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income or profession, you can consider joining the workshop, because again, I don't know when I'll be conducting the workshop again. Okay. So this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, okay, for 3 days. Okay, for 3 days. Here you can see that I have also made a questionnaire so that you can understand that whether the workshop is useful or not, because this workshop is not for complete beginners. It has been designed for those who have been struggling with the market, who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and days. I have also mentioned my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. It's not an easy journey. So if you want to take part in a workshop, then you can simply click on the link in the description, because the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. Here you can see 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Yeah, I have mentioned everything on the website. This is the next workshop date, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of Feb. Timings and everything is mentioned here. And most importantly, my dear friends, after the workshop, you'll also receive support for 1 month. So if you're serious about trading, then you should definitely give this workshop a shot. And my dear friends, if you're looking for signals, because there are many who cannot afford to learn because of their busy routine. So if you're looking for signals mostly, then yes, please watch the video at the end. So now let's get back to gold. So first of all, gold closed at 1927. This is the last traded price of gold here. So the levels, as I already mentioned, the levels are still the same. So it means if there is a drop in the market, okay, if there is a drop in the market after the market opening, so observe the market around the support around 1917. 1970 market yesterday also bounced from the 1917 level, but keep in mind market has already tested 1970, 1980 level 3 or 4 times. So as a result, you must be careful this time. So after the market opening, if the volatility of the market is low, volatility plays a big role. Okay, so if you see the market is slow, there is not much volatility, you can definitely expect the market to bounce from 1917. Okay. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect a profit of 30-35 pips. And in case market shows volatility, then obviously you should stay away from 1917, and your eyes should be on the support of 1911 to 1910. 1911 to 1910 is a better support because of previous price rejection around this area. Okay, and in case market breaks 1911 also, okay, then we have the best support around 1901 to 1898 because of previous price rejection and as well as Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, I have already shown in my previous videos many times, so I do not want to bore you again. Okay, so 1911 to 1910 is a good support. 1901 to 1898 is also a good support, but right now market is standing at 1927, so it first need to cross this level here, the level of 1917. If market breaks 1917, then only we should go for a buy at these levels. Be careful with 1917 level because market has already tested it a couple of times. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then the first resistance, okay, the first resistance will be around 1933 1933 to 1935. Why we're considering this level? Because of previous price rejection around this area, as well as the trend line. Okay, the trend line which was acting as the support previously, we can expect that it may act as the new resistance. So we can expect the market to reverse from this particular portion here. If market does that, you can again look for some quick selling opportunity, but be careful. Overall, the trend of the gold market is towards the upside, so follow proper risk management, because, and after all, this is also not a very strong resistance level. the better resistance level, okay, for Monday, especially for Monday, is around 1942 because of strong price rejection around this area. In fact, in my Hindi video, I guess I have also shown that why this level. Wait. Yeah, this level is a better resistance because of Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level also. So 1942, okay, you can expect some selling. If market reverses for 1942, you can consider taking a sell position. Otherwise, the sell ultimate resistance for Monday will be around 1948 to 1950. So these are the levels for Monday as of now. Again, I'm coming on Monday. I'll be updating you what you should be doing. Okay, so be careful, follow proper risk management, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care, and please watch the next part of the video if you're interested in signals. Before we proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who has sponsored the today's video. Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. Chart Prime has been designed for serious traders only because along with buy and sell signals, you can use the tools for additional confirmation in your analysis. They have a trading community on Discord as well where they post regular trading ideas. My dear friends, I have been using Chart Prime. I have backtested Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service, their signals are really unmatched. This is the chart of Euro USD. You can see the chart of Euro USD for the last 4 days. The signals generated by Chart Prime are quite excellent. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Possible reversal down, it means that we should go for a sell position. Possible reversal up, it means that we should go for a buy position. You can also backtest Chart Prime in your trading platform. You'll see that their service, the signals are really great because they also use support resistance. They also have a oscillator where they use divergence and many other stuff. Okay, you can usually see that it becomes very easy for you to make 15 to 20 pips on regular basis if you trade on lower time frame like 15 minutes, and on higher time frames signals generated by Chart Prime will fetch you around 50 to 60 pips. But yes, if you are a serious trader, you can definitely give a try to Chart Prime. We know it very well that no trading service, no indicator is 100% accurate. So my dear friends, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. But yes, with proper risk management and a tool like Chart Prime, you can definitely go a very long way. I will add the link in description to avail 30% discount right now. Please use the link in the description. You may also scan the code in the screen right now for faster registration. Make sure to check them out.